Today, we are going to create something truly special. Something that holds deep meaning, not just as a project, but as a memory. We'll be preserving my wife's wedding bouquet in epoxy resin. The bouquet itself has already been carefully dried. It's important to remember that if you pour resin over fresh flowers, they will begin to decay within a few days. Drying is the key step that allows us to capture their beauty forever. One by one, I carefully separate each flower. Every petal, every stem is so delicate now. Dried flowers are fragile and they require patience and gentle handling. For the mold, I'll be using clear plexiglass. On its own, plexiglass is flexible, so to keep it steady, I reinforce it with a simple wooden strip. That way it won't bend when filled with resin. To cast the bouquet, I'm using Let's Resin's Deep Pour Epoxy Resin. It's designed for projects like this where you need a thick, crystal clear finish. You'll find the link and a discount code in the description below. And speaking of Let's Resin, they're celebrating their 7th anniversary on September 15th. To mark the occasion, they're offering 15% off all tools I personally use in my work. The promotion will run from September 15th to September 21st, so it's a perfect chance to try out some of their gear yourself. My favorite tool from them has to be the vacuum chamber. It removes 99% of air bubbles in just 5 minutes, giving you a flawless finish. For the few bubbles that remain, I use hot air. And yes, even the hot air gun will be 15% off during their anniversary sale. I'll leave the link in the description. Now it's time to carefully arrange the flowers inside the mold. Once they're in place, I begin pouring the resin. Slowly, patiently, I let it settle and wait for it to cure. Then I pour another layer, and another, until every flower is embraced by crystal clear resin. When everything is hardened, I remove the mold and peel away the glue. Hot glue can be tricky, but isopropyl alcohol makes it easy to clean off. At this moment, I want to say a heartfelt thank you to all my channel members. Your support means more than I can express, especially now, when the channel's views aren't as high as they once were. Because of you, I can continue creating, experimenting, and sharing my passion. Truly, thank you. Next, I lightly sand the sharp top edge. It doesn't take much, just enough to smooth it down. Then comes the lettering. I won't be buying pre-made ones. Instead, I'll engrave them myself. That personal touch feels right for a piece as meaningful as this. If you'd like, you can also visit my shop. And if shipping isn't available to your country, just write to me directly by email or Facebook. We can always work something out. Finally, I add the engraved lettering, seal it with one last layer of resin, and let it cure. Once it hardens, what remains is not just a project, but a memory preserved forever. thank you for joining me on this very personal journey. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to support the channel. And of course, I invite you back for our next video coming this Friday. Until then, take care.